What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. Thank you for tuning into my nighttime live stream. I'm doing a little test. The last couple times I streamed live at night, it was a pretty good turnout. So we're going to test it out, see what kind of turnout we get for 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we could potentially be doing more of these streams. So make sure to smash that like button. Support the stream if you guys do like these post-market streams. So we'll see how it goes. I'll give you guys a couple seconds to join up. Let me tune in here on my phone. And then we'll get straight to things. How's everybody doing on this fine Monday evening? Hopefully well. We're going to be talking about a bunch of stuff. We're going to be seeing how the market's closed, all the closing numbers and all that kind of stuff. So let me just load up the chat and then we'll get straight to it. Also have some tea here to keep me alive. Just had a nice little nap after we shot that last video. What's going on, Mike? Thank you for tuning in. We'll just switch to our background real quick. Make sure that the camera is all set up. And now we'll get straight into the featured content for tonight. So I didn't schedule this stream. We'll see if it's a good turnout. But I just want to do some recaps first. So vodka does the trick also. SE, what's going on? You know what? One thing I like about not scheduling it is the fact that the stream is much less delayed. So when I answer your comments, it's like almost instantaneously. So anyways, guys, we're going to take a quick look at the markets to see what did we close. So we're taking a look at the financials. You guys might not care too much, but we are seeing Manulife close in the green, First National in the green, Bank of America, Citigroup, and American banks down substantially. TD down just a little bit. So make sure to smash that like button, guys. We only got 3 likes so far, and I want to see if I can get this stream up to 100 people by the 30-minute mark, just to see how our turnout is and if I should be streaming at these times. So I appreciate that. All right, guys, so second sector that we're taking a quick look at is utility companies. Algonquin leading the show up 2.25%. We're going to take a look at that stock later. That stock's crazy. Fortis, Northland Power is looking great also. AltaGas gaining. AltaGas gaining another percent. We're almost up to $19. $18, sorry. $18. Okay, so next portfolio, precious metal miners. Goldcorp gaining 3.4%. What's up, Lucas? Kamal, brother, I wish I had updates on Namaste, but I actually don't. What they need to do is they need to update us. So yeah, we'll see. Bear Gold closing in the green. First Majestic. Royal Nickel Corporation. This is a stock that we could be looking to trade, along with First Mining Gold. We'll take a look at that stock closing down at 35 cents. Next portfolio. I'm just basically picking the stocks that I want to talk about. So anybody tuning in after the fact, anybody who wants to watch this, feel free, and you guys will see all of the stocks that we're looking at. I thought I'd do this anyways, so I might as well take a look on live, and then you guys can see what I'm doing later. So cryptocurrency, there's nothing much that we're really watching right now. Hive blockchain down 11%. Neptune Dash stocks up to absolutely nothing. So let me post this link in the Discord group. If you guys didn't already know, that's something I should also mention. We do have a Discord chat. So let me just let's see here. Oh no. I totally forget how, oh yeah, there we go. I was gonna say I totally forget how to show you guys, but join our free Discord group. I'll post a link right here. What's going on, Lucas? Thank you for tuning in. What's up, Humble? You guys are back. My supporters. Not much. Just recapping things. I'm going to do a quick post-market show. See if we get any viewers. I didn't schedule this stream. But I find when I don't schedule this stream, I get a faster... Oh, shoot. It's just faster. So, join up that Discord group if you haven't already. I'm not in Guelph. Close to Guelph. Very close to Guelph. So we're going to take a quick look at the oil patch. AltaGas, Exxon, and BP in the green. Biggest decliner on the day, Meg Energy Group. Enbridge declining 5% as one of their pipelines were delayed. All right, what else we got here? U.S. banks. Strathroy in the building. REITs. I need to add to my REIT portfolio. Sierra Senior Living, Northwest Healthcare, Chartwell Retirement, IIPR down the day 1.47% again. All right, so hot stocks for 2018. Alibaba, Welltower, and iShares China continuing to climb. Tesla declined today. I don't know if you guys follow that. This used to be part of my portfolio. Vermilion Energy, Sierra Senior Living, Wayland, Crescent Point. Weed stocks, here we go. This is the money right here. 48 North Cannabis, closing the day up 17.5%. This stock had a wild day. So, what do you think of these shorts covering towards the market close? We'll take a look at that soon. Do you mean on the overall markets or within individual stocks? The market was super volatile today. Super volatile. We did see the S&P claw its way back up pretty nicely. So, Aphria up 2.7%. Suniva. We'll take a quick look at Suniva, MedMen. I'm going to open a crap load of tabs and then close them as we go. We're going to talk about all these companies. Kron. No, I don't want to talk about Kron. Let's see what else we got. Pure Global. Let's talk Pure Global. As we sold that one, I knew it was going to sell down. Namaste down to 95 cents. Holy smokes. And then after this, we will quickly check in with USMJ, FANG, EM. Nah. Tesla's a buy at 250, potentially. I know a bunch of very influential YouTubers are buying Tesla right now. Facebook, Tencent, Alibaba, JD.com closing in the green. We'll take a look at JD.com since we bought it. We'll take a look at Alibaba since we bought it, and Tencent, mine as well. And then we will save our stocks to watch for 2019 for the end of this show. Baytex. Ask me about Baytex once I'm finished these couple ones. So yeah. All right, guys. So we're going to be getting into these individual stocks. We've got stocks from all different sectors. We've got stocks from the oil and gas sector. We've got stocks from the cannabis sector, healthcare sector. So we're just going to take a look at all of them. You guys can let me know what you think. So first stock of the day, Meg Energy, down 6.2%. This stock has been on a constant decline. It's $4.28, 52-week low. So we're still $1 away from that. 52-week high of 11.70. This stock's had a very bumpy last year. Could we sell down another $1? It looks possible. Are we gonna hold on to $5? Maybe. I'd wait for the low fives for Meg Energy. Baytex Energy, we can take a look at Baytex Energy just because we're looking at Meg Energy. Might as well. Baytex is down to 236. Baytex has held up a little bit better than Meg. over the last little while, but it's off $2. So we're up like 15-20%. But oil needs to move well above 60 for these stocks to actually take off. So it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time for sure. Good evening. What are your thoughts on Aphria? Aphria, I like Aphria at $2. We'll take a look at Aphria Health soon. Let me put Aphria Health there, and then I will just put it to the end of the list because we've got so many to talk about. We've got some memes for you guys too. They also made a few more memes about me, so I thought it was pretty funny. I have a small position in Aphria. I'm looking to take a small position. What is your position at in Aphria? What did you buy Aphria at? Enbridge. Enbridge, hard to say right now. Yielding 6%, I like it, and it's had a crazy run. But with the delay in their pipeline, I'm pretty neutral on Enbridge right now. How far will the markets run before a correction? We're almost at 52-week highs, and all the stocks are dependent on it. Yes, that's very true. That's something we're watching very closely because that's going to influence all the cannabis stocks. So we'll be keeping our eyes on that. About 2,800 for the S&P 500. It's starting to get shaky. So anyways, guys, Enbridge at $46. Might be a little pricey right now. Long term it's not, but we'll see if we can ever claw our way back up to $50, $60 highs. Next stock of the day, Tesla. Tesla looks like it's kind of downtrending. Technicals on Tesla are weak. And yeah, Tesla at 250 looks like it could be a buy though. I would start a position in Tesla around 250 if I was looking to buy Tesla. Not looking to buy Tesla. Next company, 48 North Cannabis. Holy smokes, up 17.59%. Wow. 48 North has been running like no tomorrow. We'll see how high it can stay, or how high it can keep going. It's defying gravity right now, but nice to see. Amazon. Cool, we'll take a look at Amazon. Big Daddy is back. Chase Nichols, what's going on? Yeah, man, I'm trying out a live stream at 9 o'clock. We'll see how it goes. If we can, let's say we can hit 50 people by 9:30. I'll stay for a little bit longer. I'm also going to test non-scheduled versus scheduled streams. I just find there's way less of a delay in the comments when I'm doing this, like not scheduled. So we'll see what's up. Amazon 1600, almost 1700. Amazon looks to have kind of bottomed out around that 1600 level. Amazon's looking pretty good at these levels, but I mean, if the market decides to pull back, Amazon's not immune to that. So Suniva. Suniva's our next stock that we're taking a look at. So I want to see Suniva hold $5. I think Suniva is looking pretty good at $5. We seem to have kind of, we'll take a look at some candles right here real quick. But in terms of Suniva, yeah, I like it at $5. My mom's in the room. What's up, Mom? Thank you. Hit that like button. Come on, Mom. Hit that like button. Uber and Lyft IPO thoughts. I don't really touch IPOs, and I watched a long video about Uber's valuation and how it ran up like crazy recently. So we'll see. We'll see. Next stock, MedMen, $3.94. $3.94 right now. MedMen, I like MedMen around $4. So we'll have to see what's up for MedMen. But I think in the high threes, MedMen's looking pretty interesting. What's up, FST? Just say you live, stopped in to say hi. What's up, Nevada Tucker? Thank you so much. Smash that like button, guys. I wanted to post this live stream in the group, but actually, you know what? Maybe I should. Let's just go to my YouTube right now. Drop this in our Discord group. Show you guys our new Discord group. So many people live right now. Okay. There we go. There we go. That's so trippy. Okay, let me just post this in Discord right now. We're live. Perfect. Maybe we'll get a couple more people tuning in. So Pure Global Cannabis, next stock on the list. 22 cents, down 4.35%. I think our first point of resistance for Pure is around 20 cents. If we look at the 1-year charts. Sorry, the 5-year charts. 20, 20, 20. Looks like we're going back to 20. So I think we could hit 20 again. We'll see. 20, 21 cents. Pure's been selling off pretty steadily. Namaste. Everybody asking about Namaste. I wish I had answers, guys. I wish I had answers for Namaste, but I don't. Other than the stock stuck in a downtrend again. Technicals are looking pretty weak. Looks like we could come down to retest those 80-some cent lows. Right here around 84, 85. That's all I gotta say for Namaste right now. And we're holding on to our shares. That's it. I think 80 cents, 80, 85 cents, something like that. Next stock, JD.com. JD.com has been running pretty nicely. We jumped in JD.com around 24. So sitting on some pretty good gains so far. And I'm not too sure when I want to take profits, but I do feel like JD.com could potentially run up to at least $30, if not 35, 36. But that would mean the markets would have to go our way, or at least stay stable. So, hard one. They ride the short bus. You couldn't have said it any better, honestly. They get the short end of the stick. There's so many ways to put it. There's so many ways to put it. Okay. So, off of JD.com, next stock, Alibaba. Alibaba continues to run up to 187. Holy smokes. This thing's going to $200 a share if we don't tank before. If we don't pull back. But man, is Alibaba on a roll. I'm just wondering when we're going to run into some resistance. I want to see Baba over $200. Like, I'm going to dump my entire position at 200. Seriously. Window lickers. What? Window lickers. One sec, guys. Let me just there we go. Safe is on its way up. All right, let's dive into the rest of these stocks. Tencent Holdings. Oh, my neck's killing me. There we go. Tencent Holdings up 2.7%. Tencent hasn't done as good as Alibaba, but I still like Tencent. I think Tencent has the potential to run a little more. I think Tencent could be a $50 stock if we see a little bit more of a recovery. So that's kind of my target on Tencent, although I do feel like we could see it sell off. Obviously, if the markets start to pull back. Whoa, guys, sorry. Short bus. So, did Algonquin hit $15 today? Yes, it did. Algonquin continues this tremendous run. Looks like we're making a breakout for new all-time highs. New all-time highs forever for Algonquin Power and Utility Co. Look at that beautiful chart. Wow. $2 to $15. Beautiful. Next company, Fortis. Super bullish on Fortis, although it is expensive. And only yielding 3.79%. So the stock has run from 44 to 47 recently. Still has some potential for more upside. We'll see what happens, guys. Crayon eaters. You funny. You funny, man. Hit that like button. Agriflora. We'll get into it. Northland Power. We're taking a look at Northland Power real quick. We're taking a look at some utility codes. What's up, CoinStacks? Yeah, sorry guys. I know it's gonna come to a point where everybody's already hit that like button, and I'm just talking to no one. But anyways, join that group. Nope, Rich just posted something. Okay. Not too much, man. Just reviewing a bunch of these stocks in our post-market show. I'm going to test out a post-market show maybe like 4 or 5 times. If we hit at least 100 viewers live, then potentially I'll do a consistent weekly post-market show. Maybe at 9 or 10 o'clock. We'll see when the most amount of people are on YouTube. So anyways, Northland Powers has a nicer dividend, but the stock is once again at 52-week highs, so one to watch for sure. Here's a super undervalued one that's made a nice run recently. AltaGas, yielding 5.4% now. A lot less than it used to yield, but the stock is beaten up like crazy. It's got some potential. Alright guys, we'll get into some cannabis stocks now. I'll take a couple of requests, hopefully keep you guys on board here. APHA Health down 4.6% to 228. I said this a bunch of times. I'm only buying APHA Health if it goes to $2. So we're getting pretty close to that. I've been patient with this one and I will not budge. So $2 it is for APHA Health. If we get to $2, take a small position, and then we'll see if we drop back down to 150. Because like this stock ran up like crazy to $4, and then we went all the way down to $1.40. So I do feel like we made an attempt here, $1.29 all the way up to almost $3. Now we're gonna trend lower slowly. C-Web. Charlotte's Web. Every time I read off this stock, I think about the fairy tale. I like Charlotte's Web because of their exposure to hemp, though. CBD. Focused on CBD. I like that. Don't own enough exposure to CBD, honestly. And it's a pretty nice chart. $10 up to 18, but I would look for some kind of pullback. I'm still looking for some kind of pullback for Charlotte's Web. So it's tempting, but I don't see enough upside. I'd like to see the stock pull back to like 17. But thanks for bringing up Charlotte's Web. It's actually one company that it's pretty legit. XLY. Didn't we see Oxley sell off today again? Yep, down to 76 cents. Oxley has not made too big of a recovery so far. So as long as it holds 70 cents, I wouldn't be worried about it dropping too much, but at the same time, in terms of Oxley recovering, it could take a while. Oxley and FSD Pharma together We'll take a quick look at Huge. They need to get their license. That's what they need to do. That's very crucial. The stock's down another 3.57%. What up, Steven? Thanks for tuning in, man. I'm doing an after-hours show today. Care to talk about the warrant shares TGOD is about to distribute this month? Post that link, please. I'll cover it, Dallas, if you got it. I'm not a TGOD expert. We just have a small position in TGOD. Sometimes you guys know more than me, honestly. I'm not that claim to know everything type of dude. So, I'm taking a look at four more stocks in the precious metal space, and then we'll jump straight back into cannabis. Gold Corp rising 3.42% today. Meanwhile, gold closed the day down 12 bucks an ounce, so that's very promising. And as did Barrick, but Barrick's bid for Newmont Mining got rejected, so that's what I like to see. Bought some more Barrick today. Just jumped in at the market close, so added to Barrick. Dumped our position in Suncor, so sold oil today too. Royal Nickel Corporation, I feel like it could go to 50 cents, so hard to say, but this stock could shoot up like crazy if we do see gold bounce. I don't trade any options, Billy. What's going on? I don't do any options trading, but thanks for tuning in. I know you can make a lot of money in the options market. It's just not something that I do or have time to do right now. That's all. Yo, Steven. I don't know if I don't know if I can show our viewers the comment. Sorry, I'm a little tired. So yeah, feel free to send me a direct message. Seems like you're having a good night, my friend. So last stock that we're looking at in the precious metals sector, First Mining Gold. I want to buy this stock at 33 cents or lower. If we sell off tomorrow, I'll pick up a little bit. Any thoughts on fire? What's going on, Joanne? Thanks for tuning in to our late night stream. Supreme Cannabis. Oh, internet cut out on this computer. So annoying. There we go. We should be fine now. Where is my fire? Where's my fire? There's my fire. Perfect. Yes, we'll talk about ACB. You guys in ACB. I like it too. 1 year chart for Supreme Cannabis. Getting close to their 52-week highs. The stock's finally performed. But I'd be careful. Sorry. I'd be a little careful. If Supreme starts to roll over, we could potentially drop back down to about 150. That's kind of what I see. Or we could hold on to this support at $1.90. So wait for a bit of consolidation maybe. I wouldn't buy fire right now, but it does look like it's doing all right, to be honest. The shorter term charts look pretty good. Tough one to read though. Tough one. ACB. Aurora Cannabis. Down 1.23%. There was a really great chart posted in our group today in Discord. Here, let me see if I can show you guys. I'll show you guys our Discord group. So anybody who hasn't joined the group yet, feel free to join here. You guys can see it live. All right, perfect, guys. So we were taking a look at ACB here in our Discord group. And as you guys can see, the channel is narrowing for ACB. So it looks like we're gonna trade. It's so tough. We've got some resistance. We're gonna have some resistance in the high 9s and some support in the mid to high 9s, and then it's gonna go one way or the other. And honestly, if the markets don't do so great, I think we could break to the downside, but the downside being not $6.95, maybe $8. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Join our Discord group. Here, I'll try and let's see where we can. There's a way to do it. I forget. Share. Invite members. No, that's not what I want. No. Oh, I forget how to do this, guys. Whatever. Join our Discord group. I might have it back in. No, that's not it. I know how to do this. Okay, sorry. There we go, guys. Post that link one more time. Thank you. I'm so new to Discord, but I'm trying to have an interactive stock group for everybody. So, yeah, ACB, honestly, we're getting into this. It looks like we're getting into this tight trading range, more and more narrow of a channel, and we're gonna go one way or the other. So don't bounce me, bro. Don't worry, Steven, I'd never kick you out. Don't worry, man. What is what? Wesley Strong? The Discord group, it's like a chat. It's like a chat for all the members to just chat about stuff. So, other than that, guys, feel free to request a couple stocks. I'll stay for another little while just to see if you guys want to look at anything. And yeah, I simply wanted to do a post-market show. So Ricardo, I've already looked at 48 North. Love you too, Steven. Not the actual CBD or THC itself. Sorry, I understand if you were a little bit late. 48 North was up 17.5%. We'll pull it up one more time for you. Beer, Brain Grid. Okay, we'll take a look at those. Yeah, 48 North, I don't know. Stock's doing awesome. Hill Street Beverages. I kind of think 48 North has peaked. That was like the all-in type of move. Hill Street Beverages, the charts look promising. Looks like we could be on the cusp of a breakout. I like where we're at right now, 15 to 51 cent, 52-week range. Stock looks like it could be on the cusp of a breakout. Do you think Kiosk Beverages is a buy? KBev, right? KBev, is KBev a buy at 60 cents? KBev at 60 cents looks pretty good. I mean, it sold off 50% when it rushed up 100% in one day. But if I was buying KBev, I'd be I might buy at 60 cents, but prepared to buy it at 40 cents. Because that's how volatile it is. I mean, maybe take a risk at 60 cents, but don't be surprised if you see 40 cents in the next couple months. That's what I would do for it. And you could potentially swing trade it. Like, if you bought at 60 cents and it went back up to 80 or 90 cents, you might be smart to take your profits. And then, of course, if it went down to 40 cents, average down. That's right, I am. I'm pounding tee shots all day. Oh, I'm pounding tea shots especially now because it's the only way I'm going to make it to the gym later. Okay. So, what were some of those other stocks? 48 North people need to take the profit. HVT. Yep. Harvest 1. Let's take a quick look at Harvest 1. What is up with this? That stream is so delayed. There we go. Harvest 1. Charts look pretty good for Harvest 1. As long as we can hold 65 cents, 67 cents. It's not looking too bad. Just from a technical perspective. That's it. Technicals are pretty good. NCTY. The 9 Limited. It's a cool company. Never heard of them, so woo, let's check them out. GameNow.net is holding company, is an online game developer and operator. The Fun Box. Relate to smartphone application programming training provided to college students in China. What are they famous for? What is this company famous for? The 9 Limited. Because it's an international company. Let me know, Ron, about NCTY if you've done more research on it. Looks pretty cool though. But it definitely has ran up like crazy. I know. I'm super tired. Humble, you're right. You train combat. Whoa. I do need some sleep, but gotta finish this stream first and hit the gym. FUSZD. I don't know if that was like FSD. Do I look like one of your favorite fighters? Who's that? You're hilarious. Aaron, use the jab. You gotta press up on the keyboard. Please make another meme. Here, what stock do you want in the background? I'll put like Namaste in the background or something. You guys can screenshot that. Yeah, you can make a yawning meme too, but here. I'll punch Namaste. Wait. No. Alright, I'm done. I'm done messing around. Sorry guys, the green screen's still too much fun. Ooh, we saw Micron Waste decline 7%. So that's good. Looking to pick that up. Activision Blizzard down to 41 bucks. Let's go. Steven. Departures Capital. Tea time. That's right. Nothing like our tea. Got a strong one going today. Gluskin Chef, Suncor Energy. What did Suncor do on the day? Oh, it recovered a bit. Don't care. Barrick Gold. Nah. I'm drinking a very interesting type of tea. It is... Oh no, I spilled it all over myself. It's green tea and English breakfast and a little bit of oolong tea. What happened with Diego and Aphria? Nothing. It was a rumor. The stock ran on a rumor. Now I've got a Oh, Halo Labs. Yeah, Halo Labs. Halo Labs. No problem. It's not sake, but I wouldn't mind being in Japan drinking sake right now. That'd be fun. Any of you guys been to Japan before? I had some really cool sake in what's that place? Kyoto. Kyoto's a cool city. Anyways, Halo Labs. I mean, excuse me. If you like, personally, I don't like buying stocks when they're this high. So, if it's going to continue running, which it could, now might not be a bad time, but yeah, it's once again, it's at 52-week highs almost, so I'd be careful. Nice place. Nice, Ricardo. Yeah, Japan's pretty cool. I like it. FUSZD. Sorry, man, FUSZD. Can't find it. Brent, if you got the name of the company, let's see it. Diego Corrales. I was gonna take some of my CXXI profit. C21 Investments. Ricardo Corrales, is that who I look like, you're saying? Damn, C21 ran like crazy again today too, eh? Holy smokers. This stock is on a tear. You know what I never looked at, guys? Oh my gosh, what am I doing? What an amateur I am. Most active stocks in the day. Top gainers, top losers. Do Aurora again if you didn't already. No problem. No problem. So here we go, guys. ACB. All right, so we're gonna zoom into the 6-month chart just to see what ACB has been up to around like 6 months, and we're gonna pull up our Discord group. So anyone who hasn't joined the Discord group, if you're looking for coverage all the time, there's the link. Now we're gonna go to our Discord group, and if you guys can see, feel free to join the group. We've got this awesome chart here from the Noble Lefty. And he's painted a pretty interesting picture for ACB. We're moving into this very tight channel, right in and around 950 to like $10. Right in around 950, 960 to $10. So soon we're gonna see ACB potentially move up a little bit closer to $10. And then it's going to go one way or the other. We're going to break to the upside or to the downside. But if the markets go crappy, then to the downside. I'm a little more in favor of the downside right now, to be honest. Because I want to pick up more ACB. So I think we could see ACB come down to like this level. High 8s. Don't cry, guys. When everyone's crying, we're buying. So remember that. That's just what I think. Stock up. I would buy if ACB dips below $9. But I want to see it have one day where it just sells off, because I've got cash on the side ready to buy it. So I'll always save some for ACB. If it goes like crazy one day down like 10%, bam, I'm gonna buy the dip. So we'll see. But we would need to see a big sell-off in the markets for that to happen. Anyways, guys, a few more stocks. Activision Blizzard is still getting killed. I want to see Activision Blizzard below $40 by the end of this month. That could happen pretty fast. I want to see Activision Blizzard down to like $35. $36. I'd be happy. I'd buy it. Got a couple more rounds of shots here left. So I'd say we've got about 3 or 4 shots left here in this kettle. It's getting stronger though. Whew. That was a strong one. What's up, Nika? We got a new member in the group. Perf Murph. Hey everybody. So we've got almost 50 people now. Let's keep this group growing. All right. Wow. Big gainers on the day. Yangtze Riverport. I love how that's a stock. China Finance up 70%. China Internet. Look at all these Chinese stocks running like crazy. China Lending. Imagine if we named our companies like this. New Jersey Port. America Internet Financial. America Lending. That'd be hilarious. Internet Gold up 15%. Sienna Biofarm. I've never heard of any of these companies. Next. What's the biggest decliner on the day? Evoke Pharma. Atlas Financials. Synergy. Blue Apron. Damn. Maxar Tech. I heard of Maxar before. Capital Senior Living. Down 9%. Holy. I've never seen this company before. Just taking a look at the biggest decliners on the day. Roadrunner. That's a cool, interesting name. Wow, I have to get into those Chinese stocks. Man, there's lots of, there was lots of opportunity. XCH, let's see, XCH. This was my play on Chinese markets, along with Tencent, Alibaba, JD.com, stocks like that. But China has bounced quite substantially. Honestly, back in October, November of last year was the time to buy Chinese stocks. They hit rock bottom prices. They're still pretty cheap, but not as cheap as they once were. China was in a bear market. Yeah, I think so. So what we got going on here, guys? Anyways, growing our nice little community. Oh, I wanted to quickly go over a few new memes that we got. Humble, what's up, buddy? Let's get you in this group. Make those memes. So, the newest meme from Steve Wilson. Apparently I've got chickens, lots of chickens. Don't forget to join my grind. Oh my god. At Insert Capital. Oh my god. I love how he changed that picture there. That's pretty funny. The Tom the Trader one's hilarious. That one's hilarious. Are you trying to smash? We're always trying to smash that like button. Hey, did you guys see where my something went? I love this one, guys. Honestly, I love this one. One of my favorite memes so far. The Aurora meme. Steve Wilson. This is number 1. Perfect, buddy. So, anyways, guys, I'm out of here for now. I need to sip on the rest of this tea and hit the gym soon. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll test it out a couple more times, see if we can get a couple more people in our stream. Maybe I'll schedule it tomorrow and try again. Maybe we can get it up to 100 people. Cause like when I went live with Tom the Trader, it was like 160 people. So no worries. We'll be live tomorrow at 10 a.m. So stay tuned. 10 a.m. tomorrow. I will see you guys very soon. Smash that like button. Have a great night. I am out of here.